My aloe vera gel is ready to be used. Hi family, welcome again to another video. Thank you all so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Today's video is just answering a question I had in my description box in the last video I uploaded about aloe vera gel. And someone asked me, how do you store your aloe vera longer? So today I'm just trying to show you guys how I store my aloe vera. Normally I make a lot of aloe vera because I use it too much, so much for my hair and for my kids' hair. So if you have not watched that video, the last video on how to make your aloe vera gel, please do well to watch it. And I'm just showing you just a little bit of how I made the gel. So if you want to see or you want to watch the full video, I'll leave the link in the description box so you can watch it. And in today's video, I'll just be showing you guys how I store my aloe vera or how I preserve my aloe vera longer or for months, because normally I don't do it all the time, and since I use it a lot, I will just make it and then I use my ice cube boxes or ice cube jars to put the aloe vera inside, and then I put it in the freezer. Once it's hardened, I will take it out and leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it will just come out on its own. When I take it out, because I don't have too many ice containers, so I'll take the aloe vera out and then I put it in these bags. And then I put it in these all-purpose freezer bags and put it back in the freezer. And every time I want to use it, I'll just take out the quantity I need and I use it. It can be there for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months without any problem. Thank you all so much.